everybody, it's Elf Lisa. Are you ready to do some maths today? Elf has been busy decorating the Christmas tree. Do you want to count how many baubles he's put on there today? How many can you see? I'm going to count them and find out. Do you want to help me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 baubles on the tree. I have made a number line with numbers 1 to 10. I've managed to find the pieces up to 6, but I'm missing the piece for 7, 8, 9 and 10. I'm going to set Elf a challenge. I wonder if he can find the piece for 7, as today we are learning all about the number 7. Can you do that for me, Elf? I can see that Elf has chosen the piece he thinks is number 7. Let's have a look. Okay, so let me put it on my number line. I want you to tell me if you think Elf has got the right piece. Have a little look. If you think it's a 7, give me a thumbs up. And if you don't think it's a 7, give me a thumbs down. Well, I have noticed that because my numbers are going up in ones, my pieces are also going up in ones. But if I look at this one here, I can see it's gone up by 2. 1, 2. So I don't think that's right, is it? So I'm going to take that one down. I wonder if you can tell me which colour piece I need. Do I need the pink one? I'll just pop it there for you to see. Do I need the purple one? Or do I need the blue one? Which colour one do you think I need? I need the pink one, and let me show you why. If you look at here, that's 6 and that's 7. I've got 1 extra haul, haven't I? Let me count to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's number 7. In my next videos, we'll carry on the number line when we learn about more numbers. On my number frame 10, I've put some baubles, and you will notice that my first row, I have 5 spaces, and in my second row, I have 5 spaces. So because of this, I don't need to count each bauble separately. I can just say 5, because I know there are 5 there. 6, 7. There are 7 baubles. So I can see that 5 add 2 equals 7. Let me show you using Numicon. So there's my 7, and I'm going to have a 5 and place that on top so it looks like that. And you will see that I have 2 still to find. Okay, so I'm going to put a 2 on top of the pink, and you can see that I've covered all of my pink 7. So I can say 5 add 2 equals 7, just like 5 add 2 equals 7. So we can use a number frame for counting on, or we can also use our fingers. I could say 5, so now I've got 5 in my top row, and 2. So I can say 5, 6, 7. So I know that 5 add 2 equals 7. Elf has been a little bit naughty. Earlier on, we said that he put 7 baubles on the Christmas tree. Have a little look and see if 7 baubles are still there. What can you see? I can see 5. I think that Elf has taken some away when we weren't looking. How many baubles do you think are missing? Let me show you how I would work it out using my tens frame, okay? So I'm going to put my 5 baubles in the frame, the 5 that are on there. But before I had 7, didn't I? So I need to see how many more I need to get to 7. And that would tell me how many are missing. So I'm going to say 5, 6, 7. These 2 are missing. So I think that Elf may have taken 2 baubles. Shall we have a little look? Oh, turn around, Elf, and show the children. What can you see, children? Can you see 2 baubles? I think he hid them on his back. 1, 2. Naughty Elf. I can put these on here to show you I have my 7 baubles again. 5, 6, 7. I think we need to put them back on the Christmas tree, don't we? Let's count together to check we've got the 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, look, children, I think Elf has been being naughty again. I can see more baubles are missing. How many can you see this time? I can see 3 baubles. Shall we work out how many baubles we think Elf has taken this time? Let me get my tens frame. Okay, so here are the 3 baubles that are still on the tree. But we said that there were 7 to start with. So this time I'm going to count 7 spaces on my grid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 baubles would stop here. So I'm going to put some card there. I don't need those spaces. And I'm going to see how many spaces have not got baubles. And that would tell me how many Elf has stolen this time. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I think that 4 baubles are missing. Okay, right then, Elf, turn around and show the children. How many baubles can you see, children? Yes, there are 4, aren't there? So let me put them back on the grid to make sure we're right. There we go. So now we have our 7 spaces filled. 5, 6, 7. It's time to play Santa's glasses. I wonder if you can tell me how many Santas you can see. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 Santas. So here's my number 7. And here's my numicron piece for 7. So we're going to find different ways of seeing 7 through Santa's glasses. Okay, let me show you how we can do this. So I might say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've used all my 7 Santas. So I now know that 4 and 3 equal 7. Let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you see 7 a different way? Let's try again. I'll put them all back. Okay, so as long as we put them in these 2 parts and they're all gone from here, we know we have made 7. So this time I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So can you tell me how I've made 7 this time? Have a little look. I've said 6 and 1, haven't I? Equals 7. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can you think of a different way of seeing 7? This time I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have I made 7 this time? What have I done wrong? That's right, I've left 1 here, haven't I? I haven't put it into one of the 2 parts, so I'm going to put it here. So can you tell me now how I made 7? I've said 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 add 6 equals 7. There are a few different ways we can make 7 and we can see 7, isn't there? If I put my glasses on, it really helps me to do it easily. Santa has many presents to go in his sack, which he needs to deliver to all the elves. Can you tell me how many presents Santa needs to deliver? Use your fingers to show me, or you can say the number out loud. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So Santa has 7 presents to deliver. Oh, I think Santa's made a start on delivering the presents. His sack doesn't look so full. How many presents are left? Can you count them and show me with your fingers? I can see 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wonder how many presents Santa has delivered. He had 7 to start with, and now there are 5. To work this out, I'm going to count on from 5 to 7, okay? And see how many more I need. So to find out, I'm going to count on from 5 to 7, because I know there were 7 to start with, okay? And that would tell me how many are missing. So 5, those are the 5 that I have. 6, 7, so it's those 2 that are missing, okay? I have these 5 and the 2 are missing. Let's see if I'm right. They're under the Christmas tree. You ready? 1, 2. I was right, let me put them back. And let's count to check. We've now got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try again. So Santa has 7 presents in his sack. So again, he delivered some presents and he only has 4 left. So how many presents do you think Santa delivered? See if you can use your fingers to find out. So you're going to say 4. And then you've got to get to 7. Okay, so 4. Those are the 4 that are in the sack. 5, 6, 7. So he's delivered 3 presents because they are missing from the sack. There's the 4 in the sack. And these 3 are missing. Let's see if there are 3 underneath the tree. You ready? 1, 2, 3. So we know that 3 add 4 equals 7. It's domino time. I want you to tell me what you see. Remember to look at both sides of the domino. You might be able to subitize or you might need to count on. Okay, depends on how big the number is. So what's this one? 7, 6, 7, 6, 4, 5, 5, 3, 3, 5, 4, 4, 7. Well done. I have 2 dominoes here with 7 dots on each, although they are arranged differently. So here I have 1 and 6, or I could say 6 and 1. I still have 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If I turn it around, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or I could have 4 and 3, or 3 and 4. Again, they both add up to 7. We've reached the end of today's lesson. I hope you found it enjoyable. Please remember to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my other videos. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.